In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on SMS on any iPhone if for some reason iMessage is not available. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings, and after that scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find apps. So guys, first off we need to get into apps, and after that we need to scroll it down all the way until we find messages here, and that's where we are looking for the option that on my device is called Send as Text Message. On your iPhone it may also be called Send as SMS, and basically guys, all we have to do is just enable it to be able to send our text messages as a regular SMS if for any reason iMessage is not available. Basically guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.